Hi, my name is Caitlin McDermott from McDermott Auto Group in East Haven, Connecticut. I'm Dave's daughter, and I've been in the auto business for a long time. I first started selling cars for my dad when I was 18. Here at McDermott Auto Group, we get it. From sales to service to parts to continued customer service throughout the years. We're here now and for the duration.
My name is Gregory Howell. I am the service director here. The first thing they need to do is pull their car into our service drive, where they'll be greeted by one of our valets. Then they're escorted into this area where they meet with one of the 4 service advisors who determines their needs and the reason why the car is here. And then we either put them in a loaner car if it's going to be something that takes a while, or if it's something that we hope we can do quickly, then they can have a seat in our lounge. We have coffee and pastries. We have technicians that have been here for over 20 years. These guys can take an engine out of a Lexus, take it down into tiny little pieces, which is when I would quit and go home, and they can fix it and put it all back together again and do it right. And they're extraordinarily talented at what they do, and they're very highly educated in order to be able to do it. Before we return your vehicle, we wash it and vacuum it and clean your windows. And then, the technician will have already completed a last road test to make sure it's fine. And then your vehicle is located out front, and you would be escorted to it to make sure everything's in good shape, and wish you'd have a good day, and thank you for your business.
So come and see me when you're here. I'd love to talk to you. I'd love to meet you. And it is truly a family business in every way. And I look forward to meeting you. Thanks.